Our writing is going to be directly linked to our reading that we're doing in Scholastic. If you need to reread the books before you do the writing, that is totally fine. Good readers and writers do that. You can just go into the reading assignment on Google Classroom and click on the link again. When you are done with the books, Diary of a Spider and A Spiderling Grows Up, you're going to type in something that you noticed as you read one of those stories. Something that you noticed is something that you found interesting. It can be from one of the books or both of the books. Then you're going to do something that you wonder. You're going to type it in right here. Something that you wonder is a question that you had as you read. And then you're going to do this book reminds me of. That is a connection that you made as you read the book. What did it remind you of from your own life? When you are all finished with this, don't forget to press Turn In so that I get your finished assignment.